Hello friends, welcome to Be with Parni channel. Today I am going to show you one experiment with hot water and cold water. Now let's know what we need for the experiment. We need 2 glasses. In one glass cold water, in the other glass hot water, in which are transparent glasses and one color, any color, some food color or holy color or anything. Let's start. Now I am going to add this color into the both glasses, in the cold glass and as well as hot glass. Now I am going to add some color into the both glass. Now let's see what happens. Now see, in the hot water, the color is mixing very fast. In the cold water, the color is mixing very slowly. You seen, right? In the hot water, the color didn't take time to mix and it mixed very fast. And in the cool water, it's taking time to mix. Do you know why? Anyway, let me tell you. Because in the hot water, the molecules will spread out and it will move very fast, and in the cold water the molecules will stay together and it will move very slowly. So that's why in the hot water the color is not taking time to mix, and in the cold water it is taking time to mix. I hope you like this experiment. If you like this experiment, you can also try at your home. But be careful with the hot water, and before starting this experiment, ask your parents' help. And don't forget to share and subscribe if you like this experiment. Bye bye.